Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can set a default printer in your Windows 11. If you enjoy this video, you can support and subscribe and write a comment that this video helped you, so other people when they'll come, they will see like, okay, this video helped them too. So I'll be really happy if you would do that, if this video is going to be helpful. So what you want to do is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. You want to be in Windows 11. Then you want to simply go and right click on this Windows and click settings. Then you want to click on Bluetooth and devices on the left, that will appear here. Bluetooth and devices. And printers and scanners. And then you're gonna like choose which one you want to have as default, like let's say this one here. Or like which one you want, like let's say this one here. And then what will happen is that if it's going to be like idle or something, you can easily you can have like button here set as default. Right now I don't have it there, but this is where you would find it. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.